everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, my name is Rebecca and I hope you're having a great, fantastic day. Now in today's video, if you guys saw from my shorts, I placed a humongous makeup order on Superdrug because I really wanted to test out some new things, and doing so I got a free mystery box by Makeup Revolution. I think it's when you spend £15 or £20 you get a free makeup box. Now either in this box could either be discontinued items or things that aren't just selling very well on the website, because this was free, which makes it a little bit skeptical really. Makes you think, is that what's inside? But nonetheless, it was free, so I can't really complain too much, but I'm very excited to dive in and see what's inside. So I'm going to be opening this box and give you guys my honest thoughts about it. So if you guys are going to enjoy this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, please don't forget to subscribe and turn that notification bell so you get notified by every single makeup video I do here on this channel. Don't forget to follow on Instagram if you want to, link is in the description bar down below. So if you guys want to know my thoughts on the Makeup Revolution mystery box, just keep watching. Alright guys, let's unbox the Makeup Revolution mystery box. So this is what it looks like. It's just a plain black box. Nice box actually. I'm going to open the box now, excited. I wonder what's inside. Especially since you're getting a free box and you're spending like £20. I think that's pretty good. So, oh okay. So we've got a little bit of tissue paper inside, and I'll let you guys have the first peek. So the first item that's inside the box is this. I'm just going to take it off the, there you go, out of the bubble wrap. So it is a Revolution Strobe Highlighter in Rejuvenate. This one is like a bronzy toned highlighter. Unfortunately, this highlighter is a little bit too dark for me. I'm going to pass this on to someone else. I could use it as eyeshadow, but I think that's just going to be a waste, to be honest. So I'm just going to pop it back in the bubble wrap. But that's the first item. Okay, the next item is this one here. It is a highlighting palette. Now, sadly, I believe this is discontinued because this is a very, very old highlighting palette. I had this palette, oh my gosh, I think many years ago, and this is definitely a discontinued product, but just going to make sure it's not broken inside because I'm going to pass this along as well. And the old Revolution classic black packaging, this is what they used to look back in the day, and that's what you get like two highlighters and like a strobe highlighter. I remember having this ages ago and I did declutter this, so I will be passing this on to somebody else. But that's the next item. Okay, the next item is another discontinued item because I remember having this years and years ago. It's the Revolution Iconic Pro 1. That's what the front of it looks like. Instead of it shiny, this one is a matte black. These are what the colours look like, and it comes with a dual-ended brush. I can't remember what this is supposed to be a dupe for. I remember the old Revolution palettes used to be a dupe for high-end eyeshadow palettes. I can't remember what this one was a dupe for. Let me know in the comments if you remember. But I'm going to be passing this on as well, but this is the next item. Next we have a I Heart Revolution Tasty Avocado Nourishing Priming Spray. Oh, I think I'll get some use out of this. Now this is what I'm excited to see. I'm not sure if they still make this one or not, but nonetheless, I'm definitely going to be testing this because a nourishing priming spray. Ooh, because I love their pineapple setting spray, so a nourishing priming spray. Definitely have to give this a go. And last but certainly not least, what's in the box is a lipstick. This is the Revolution Pro Supreme Lipstick in Protagonist. Kind of looks like it's more like a matte brown colour. This is definitely my colour, 100%. And did you know that this bottom bit actually comes out? Well, I think it does anyway. Well, I thought the bottom bit comes out because usually you can take the bottom bit off and use a lip brush to get inside, but it's not coming out. But a gorgeous brown nude shade nonetheless. This is what the colour looks like. It's super creamy and it is a really nice, like kind of like a warm toned brown colour. It's really nice, but I'm definitely going to be wearing this colour. This is gorgeous. Alright, so that's everything inside the Revolution box. So what do I think of the box? I'm not gonna lie guys, I'm a little bit disappointed. The fact that everything is pretty much discontinued. I've even looked these up as well and they're discontinued. So everything is pretty much stuff that hasn't been selling or is a discontinued item. Don't go wrong, like it was a freebie, so I'm not complaining on that one, and I'm not saying they're really bad products. I think they are decent products. I mean, that eyeshadow palette and that highlighting palette, I had those many years ago and they did not disappoint, so I'm not going to complain on that one. But I would say, like, if it's your first time buying Revolution and you kind of want to dip the waters in the brand of like how they first started out, etc., or you want to buy it as a gift for someone, then I think the box is worth it for you spending a little bit of money. But if you're wanting to get like newer products from them, then this box is not going to be for you and it's not worth spending the extra pennies. So yeah, good for a gift or someone who hasn't tried Revolution before, perfect. But for people like myself who love to try new things, not really. I really hope you guys have enjoyed this video today. If you have, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn that notification bell so you get notified by every single makeup video I do here on this channel. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram if you want to. Link in the description bar down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day. Stay safe. And I'll see you all in my next video. Bye bye guys. Take care.